Time to feed your starter. Simple process and I'll keep the numbers even. But first, my jar is a little gunky, so this week I'm going to exchange jars and just, clean things up a bit. Now, if you don't know the weight of your jar, get it during your exchange here. It's very helpful. To keep the numbers easy, I have 300 grams of starter. What you want to do is you want to remove 2/3, 200 grams. Next, you'll add in 100 grams of flour. Any grain-based flour, quote unquote, will work, and this is where your starter will be unique. Play with what you like, try different combinations. Adding 20 grams of rye and 80 grams of regular unbleached flour. Next, and the last step, is adding 100 grams of water, room temp, non-chlorinated. Pop it back in the fridge and you're good for another week. Simple, right? Till next time, stay relaxed, keep on living.